Today, we're looking at a coaching session between Sam, a team leader, and Jesse, one of his customer service reps. For every Amplify coaching session, all of the reporting, manual preparation, and manual data assembly is done before every coaching session. Sam already knows Jesse needs to focus on first call resolution. He's below his program average, below his team average, and below his goal. That information is gathered automatically from across the organization's contact center tech stack and ready the moment anyone opens a coaching session. Sam hits record, as all coaching sessions are recordable from an audio perspective, and he starts the conversation. At any time, this recording can be paused, stopped, and resumed. He opens up based on our templated response with recognition. Jesse, you're doing a great job on average handle time. Then he transitions to the opportunity. Well, where we see a gap is first call resolution, specifically with your problem identification on technical calls is lower than the high performers across the organization. The coaching form matches your organization's own methodology, and coaches are prompted to gather the important details like commitments and follow-up dates, so every coaching session is measurable. AmplifAI's SMART goals help coaches identify the most attainable commitment. When Sam ends the recording, AmplifAI summarizes the conversation and actually fills out the coaching form, action item, notes, all of it. Sam stays present in the conversation, and the system handles the documentation. Another really important thing is he can save all of this as a draft if he wants to prep this before his day starts and finish when he pulls Jesse into a huddle or a call so that everything's already there for him to jump straight into the conversation. When coaching is completed, this information is stored on everyone's dashboards, the agent and the team leader, so that everything is visible up until the follow-up date, where then it moves to coaching history. Now, here's where things scale. AmplifAI tracks coaching effectiveness, and this is our measurement that shows whether a person who is coached actually improves on the KPI that was coached. Our coaching library surfaces the high-performing sessions that are tied to the real results that are covered in the coaching sessions. Team leaders and managers across the organization can access the notes, the clips that are all moving the needle when it comes to helping agents perform at a higher level. It's dynamic, so it's always current with what's worked over the last 12 weeks. No stale LMS content here. Your best coaches scale across the entire organization, and individuals get the improvement efforts that they need. And please let us know if you have any questions on AmplifAI's coaching capabilities. Thank you.